Hello everyone, welcome to Melda 242. Today I'm sharing with you two gifts I've received from Quality Home Center. The first one is this Kitchen Details Pro Series non-stick sheet cake pan, and the second is this Oster mixing bowl set, stainless steel and acero inoxidable. I have a 1.5 quart, 3 quart and a 5 quart. Today I'm going to use this baking pan to make my rolls. The ingredients for these rolls will be listed here for you. This pan has diamond base, very heavy and durable. So I want you to check out Quality Home Center if you're here in the Bahamas, and I will leave the link for it in my Amazon store as well. Look at these rolls, they are looking so good. Check the recipe out, and I want you to give these a try. So family and friends, I want you to check out Quality Home Center over there in the Southwest Plaza, Carmichael Road, Nassau, Bahamas. They have everything you need and more. Get your Christmas gifts, home decor, toys, and everything else. They got it. Check them out. God bless you. And I'll see you in the next one.